All right. In the second part, what we're going to do is go to identification of bad habits. Now, most of y'all do these bad habits again. Some of you know why you do it, some of you don't. Some of you have been trying to get rid of it for forever. And so what you're going to do is go into the workbook on page 10, and you are going to circle all the bad habits that you've done in your life, again, whether it's the past or the present. I'm going to explain why it's important in just a second. So circle those, come back, and we'll start on the third section. All right, so after y'all fill these out, and I probably should have mentioned it before, y'all have on page 18, once you circle all the ones that are on page 9, I want you to go to page 18 and fill that out in section 1. And then the same thing with your bad habits. Right now I'm going to enter mine. You're going to see in the past I had fornication. And again, if you don't know why you did it in the past, you'll understand once you get to the root of it. Escaping. Then I had drunkenness. Vengefulness. Emotional eating. And hopefully y'all can read this. I don't think it's too important. But one of the ones I like to do on the tree, just in case if you want to, my focus is teaching y'all how to escape and walk in a new identity based off of at least 5. Because if I can teach you those 5, you will know how to do it with the others. So we want to focus on 5, but I'm just going to add another one to mine purposely. And so I'll just put 6 in OCD, and I'll explain that in a minute. So this should be section 1 of your tree. Page 18, fill that out. Section 2 of your tree, right? And then you can fill in your bad habits. Don't worry about the red boxes that are on here. What you're going to do next, after you've done this, we're going to fill out the grafting section.